Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. Now to get started, we'll need to turn off our device. When the device turns off, hold the power key and volume down at the same time. Once you see this mode, this technically I believe is considered as Fastboot mode, which you can see right here in this red text. But if for some reason this doesn't work for you as Fastboot mode, you can navigate using volume keys to a recovery mode and confirm it with power key. Once you see Android with no command, hold power key and press volume up once. So, like this. And again, using volume keys, you can select, enter Fastboot, confirm mode with power, and here's a secondary Fastboot mode. So there we go. Down here we have just a couple options to get back into the two previous modes that we were in. So bootloader, which like I said was also Fastboot mode, and recovery mode, which is the previous screen. And we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, and power off, which just obviously turns off the device. So I'm gonna stick with the first one, I'll confirm it, and this will just bring me back to Android now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.